So today we are going to explore Hyderabad city, which is situated in the southeast of India. So I have changed my outfit. Now I have to select one purse according to my outfit. So I think this purse will match perfectly with this. So let me just open it. Okay, so this is the purse. So I'll quickly keep all my stuff inside this. Money, and obviously one lipstick. Okay then, so I'm all set to go. Today we came to Chilkur Balaji temple. So this is one of the oldest temple in Hyderabad. This is also known as Visa Mandir. So those who are planning to go abroad and they are not getting visa, then these people visit here. So it is said that everyone's wishes come true. So if they come here, so yes, this is the temple. Mall. So this is one of the biggest furniture mall in our country. So this is IKEA. So if you are looking for good furniture items, interior items, then this is one of the best place to shop. So come on, let's go inside. So this is the main entrance. So here we have amazing furniture items. So this is the dining table. We also have the lamp, crockery, and there is also main living room furniture. Here you have infinite choices of sofa, chairs, couch, and many more. Choose the color of the furniture, the shape, and everything. Here there is also self-serving restaurant where you can pick your meal or you can have your lunch or dinner here. So this is the section where there are so many options of fake plants. By the way, these plants look so real, so no one can identify that they are fake plants. So there are so many varieties. Self-service furniture area. So you can see here, this is so damn huge. After visiting IKEA mall, we came to this beautiful place called Shilparamam. So this is the main entrance, and this is the one-stop shop for all the art, craft, and handicraft items. So from here you have to buy the tickets, and yeah, from here we'll go inside. all can see each and every brand you will find here. Now it's time for some shopping, and this is my favorite place. So come on, let's go in.